Hello everyone, my name is Tanya Joshi. Today I am here to give a video presentation. I have chosen the topic Methods of Inventory Valuation. I have chosen the platform YouTube. YouTube is an online public communication site where videos are shared. Users can create their own accounts where they can upload, view, share videos, and comment on them. Methods of inventory valuation are There are three methods of inventory valuation which we have studied in our course. First one is FIFO. FIFO means first in first out method, and second one is LIFO, last in first out method, and the third one is weighted average price method which we have studied in our course. FIFO method. Under this method, it is assumed that the materials first received are the first to be issued, and thus units issued are priced at the oldest cost price listed on the stock ledger sheets. It does not, however, mean that the physical disposal of the stock is actually in the order of first in, first out. However, an endeavor is made in this system that materials which run the risk of obsolescence are issued first. The FIFO method of valuation of materials or inventories is particularly suitable in the following circumstances. The materials or goods are of perishable nature. The frequency of purchases is not large. There are only moderate fluctuations in the prices of materials or goods purchased. Materials are easily identifiable as belonging to a particular purchase lot. Now I have taken the example of FIFO method. As you can see, here is an example of FIFO method. So in a solution, you can see that there is a format of FIFO method. So in a format, number one is date, and then after is receipts, then issues, then balance. In their subheadings, units price, amount are written, which are same in all. Now first I will talk about the opening balance brought forward, which is given in a question on date Jan 1, which I have written in the balance. The units are 1000 and price per unit is 20. As after multiplying it, we will get 20,000. As in the second entry is of purchase Feb 10. Purchases are 500 units and the price per unit is 25. As opening balance I have written, and after that I have added the 500 units in it, and taken the price unit 25 also, and 12,500 is the multiplying after the answer. So this was the entry of purchasing, and after we can see that there is one more purchase entry, but I have also discussed about it purchase. Now I will talk about the issues entry. So the issues are given 1200 units. As this is the FIFO method, we will first take the 1000 units. We will issue the first one, that because FIFO method is it 1000 into 20 is equal to 20,000. After that we will require 200 more. 200 multiplying by 25, we will get 5,000. So after that which will be remain, we will write in the balance, that is 300 into 25 is equal to 7500, and 400 into 22 is equal to 8800. So this was the FIFO method. After that there is example of a LIFO method. In LIFO method, we will first write the opening balance, then there is the entry of a purchase. So we have written both the same on the balance, taken 1000 and 500 entry. After that there is another purchase entry. On March 20 there is a issue entry. So in LIFO method we will take the last quantity item and multiply with the unit cost, and then we will get the 8800 rupees. So this is the way to do the LIFO method. In LIFO method we will choose the item from the last units. And after this, the last method is weighted average price method. Under this method, the issue price is calculated by dividing the value of materials in hand by the number of units in hand. The average price to be charged to issues will continue to be the same until a new purchase is made, which will necessitate computation of a new average. So the last example I have taken of weighted average method. In this, we will write the opening balance in the balance column. After that, there is an entry of purchase entry which we have added in the opening balance. After that, you can see 1500 amount is there, which is divided with 32,500. After dividing 32,500 with 1500, we will get 21.67 price per unit. So this is the way to do the weighted average price method. Thank you.